Through the years, CSOs have been unwavering in defending this vision of development effectiveness. In revitalizing effective development cooperation, using a whole-of-society approach, it is important to recognize the essential contributions of civil society at every level. Finally, in an increasingly complex global environment, civil society's role in monitoring commitments, advocating for rights-based approaches, and holding all actors accountable is critical to building trust and engaging in facilitating healthy democratic contestation between institutions and peoples. As we seek to renew commitment to development cooperation for a fairer, more sustainable future, an enabling environment for civil society is a critical foundation for advancing development effectiveness. In this way, development partnerships that are truly inclusive, transparent, and accountable are not only more just, but they are also more powerful, more enduring, and ultimately more successful.